Hey mamas, I know how much we love our quick and easy 30-minute meals. Let's make some salmon fried rice. So the ingredient for this meal is very simple and straight to the point. I will also add all of the ingredients onto the screen so it's easy for you to take notes. But I started with my salmon. I like to skin it. Sometimes when it comes to like fried rice, I like to skin it. Also, I like to save my skin, but for this particular video, I didn't save the skin. You can get either wild caught, grass fed. It really is up to your preference. I prefer fresh salmon, not frozen. I'm also not against purchasing frozen salmon. It just depends on what kind of meal it is. I purchased a pretty big size fillet of salmon because I'm also feeding a family of 5. When I'm skinning my salmon and I'm actually, cutting them into steaks, I also like to check for bone. I like to dice my salmon ahead of time as I prepare to start the cooking process. Now that the salmon has been diced, I'm just adding it all into a nice mixing bowl, and then I start seasoning. I normally go in with some oil, but I did that last because I actually was looking for my oil and I couldn't find it. I always go in with my Old Faithful seasoning blends, which are my garlic blend and my all-purpose blend, which I make personally. Then I added my seafood seasoning that my girl Ashley makes. It's really good. I'll tag her below. This was the moment that I realized I was out of olive oil, so I just added a few drops of the canola oil that I had on standby. I am just trying to bind my seasonings to the salmon. That's really all I'm doing, so you don't need that much anyway. Now it's good as it is, but you can always do more by marinating it, allowing the flavors to really absorb in that salmon. But no, let's hurry up and cook this salmon fried rice for these kids. If I'm not mistaken, I know I added a little bit of butter to that pan before I added the salmon because, as I told y'all, I ran out of olive oil. So because we're going to incorporate all of these different ingredients into one, you don't want to cook your salmon completely. You can if you want, but you don't have to. I like to par cook my salmon or cook it 3/4 of the way and then put it aside. Then I went straight in with my mixed vegetables. I'm cooking it in the same pan because I want to use all of those flavors. Then I added the cooked rice that I was making on the side that no one saw. Added in 2 different Asian seasonings. I'm trying to remember what sauces they were. I know one was soy sauce, the other I think was Hoisin sauce. Anywho, I need you mommies to be mindful of the salt intake on all of the bottles because I think I made mine a little too salty by accident, but I fixed it, just added a little bit of sugar, and I think I added some water and it was fine. If you can, try to purchase bottles that are low in sodium or just completely sodium free. Now, if you made this correctly, you are going to enjoy this salmon fried rice. And most importantly, you just made a 30-minute meal. All right, mamas, if you have any other requests, I am all ears. Jot the requests down in the comments section. Let sister girl know what you are craving and what you want to see next, okay? We all have 24 hours in a day. Don't forget to spend at least 1 hour with the Lord. You know I love y'all. Talk to you soon on the next video. Peace out.